Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up night mode for your Xbox One S. So in order to do this we'll need to open our settings and from here navigate to the accessibility. Now locate night mode, click on it. From here you'll be able to either disable or enable your night mode. Also you can set it to the schedule mode. So let's say use dynamic mode, and from here you'll be able to pick an exact time when the night mode starts automatically, when it ends automatically. You can reset the schedule and preferences to the default state, switch at sunrise and sunset, change your display dim. Also HDR, you can allow or block it, use your dim as in night mode. You'll be able to pick dark or light mode, change the color as well. Controller brightness, you can disable the brightness on your controller entirely or change it to any preferences. Sorry, let's go back. And the last options are controller brightness, which I mentioned, and power button brightness on your Xbox, which you can also turn off or change the level of brightness. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.